In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border in Inkscape. We're going to create a clean, professional border around your page using a simple rectangle and a few quick settings. This approach is reliable for both print and digital designs, and the best part is that you can customize the look at any time. Start by activating the rectangle tool. The fastest way is to press R on your keyboard. With the tool active, click and drag across the canvas so the rectangle covers the entire page area. Aim from one corner of the page to the opposite corner so the rectangle matches the page edges. If you see a page outline, use it as your visual guide and make sure the rectangle hugs those edges closely. Don't worry if it isn't perfect on the first try. You can drag the sides to fine-tune the fit so the shape neatly frames the page. Next, open the Fill and Stroke panel. Use the shortcut Shift plus Ctrl plus F to bring it up. In the Fill tab, click the X icon to remove the fill. This makes the inside of your rectangle transparent, which is exactly what we want for a border. You'll still see the outline. We're just getting rid of any solid color inside the shape so it doesn't cover your artwork. Now, let's style the border. Switch to the Stroke Paint tab and choose a color for your outline. You can pick any color that suits your design, something subtle for a minimalist look, or something bold if you want a strong frame. Then, move to the Stroke Style tab to set the width. This is where you control how thick the border appears. Enter a value that fits your project, and note the unit shown next to it, such as pixels, points, or millimeters. For screens, pixels often make sense. For print, millimeters or points can give you predictable results. As you adjust the width, you'll see the border become thinner or thicker in real time. By default, Inkscape centers the stroke on the rectangle path, so half of the thickness sits inside the page edge and half outside, which creates an even, balanced frame. And that's it. The rectangle now acts as your page border. You can return to the Fill and Stroke panel anytime to tweak the color or thickness, and you can resize the rectangle if your page dimensions change. Keep this rectangle in place while you design so it consistently frames your work. With just a rectangle, a transparent fill, and a styled stroke, you've created a clean border in Inkscape.